26 are just tips and hairs and hobbies. You see how this has a latch right here, and it's supposed to go right in there and click in? Well, sometimes it doesn't. See, it falls out. What you want to do is just turn it around like that and wedge it in, and it'll stay. It'll be fine. So that's what I want to show you on the Dirt Devil Power Max. So thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.